wife Miraz and his parents. He worked on the farms with Miraz. Rakesh was a bit simple-minded, but Miraz was very smart. Her parents had passed away when she was young, so her aunt arranged her marriage with Rakesh. Miraz was clever and always guided her husband with good ideas, especially about earning money. One day Mira said to Rakesh always did what Mira said, so he replied. So we bought 2 cows along with farming. They now started selling milk and earning more. Gradually, Mira got the ideas to start a poultry farm. Mira to her father-in-law. Bit by bit, Mary's bought a few hens. Now she started selling the eggs along with milk. Near Rakesh fields lived a man named Amir. Amir was extremely lazy, but he loved eating. He always borrows money, and if there was some weddings in the village, he crashes the wedding for free foods. He goes to parties whether they invited or not. People eventually stopped talking to him, but he would still try to chat when no one more was around. He would quote Rakesh one day. Amir thought to himself. Days passed. Amir secretly kept watching Rakesh farms. After many days of going angry, Amir said to himself. Amar was craving something different to eat. Meanwhile, Rakesh was picking up the hens and placing them under a basket. Amar saw the hens and looking at them, he started trolling, so he thought. Amar tried to sweet talks to Rakesh, but Rakesh ignored him and left after finishing his work. A few days later, Mira went to visit her uncles and aunts. Seeing this, Amir got excited. Amar's waiting eagerly for nightfalls. At sunset, Rakesh placed the hens under the baskets. Amar saw it all secretly at night. Once Rakesh and his parents went inside to sleep, Amar snacked in, stole the hens and runs away. He cooked the hens and while eating it, he thinking to himself. Day passed. Miraz returns from her uncle's house. She noticed that one was missing. That night, Hammer snagged in again and stole another hens. Next morning, when Miraz went to let the hens out, she saw another one missing. She looked around and suddenly she saw Amar speaking from his field. She quickly called Rakesh. Rakesh walked over and Miraz rendered her voice. started thinking then she came up with a plan. She included Rakesh and parents in it too. She worshipped inside the house. Based on everything she observed, Mira's was sure that Amir's was the thieves he always told when he did not get free foods from one anywhere. Mira's also knew from Rakesh that whenever the Amir's ate heavy foods, he got a stomach. So she started working on the plans and she said loudly. Amar, as usually, listens to Mira words carefully and got worried. Seeing the Amar's pancakes, Mira was now sure that he was the thief. Rakesh went to Amar. As soon as Ahmed saw Rakesh's pains seeped to doubles and he screamed. Then Miraz arrived, seeing Miraz there. Ahmed got even more scared. He truly believes that he might knew now, and Miraz asked, hearing this, Amar Miraz goes inside the house and gets back with the laddus and gives it to Amar. As soon as it happens, it started feeling better. Mira says. Amir believes Mira so much that he thought that whatever she was saying was completely right. Mira too lets him believe it so that in future her hands won't be stolen and nobody else would steal it. Mira's had scared Amir into being sick. With her smart mind now Amir also realized that stealing was wrong. From then on he started working hard to fill his own stomach and lived with happily with Rakesh and his parents.